and welcome back to another episode of Hotel Fever. Good morning, guys. We hope you're all well. It's been a while. Man, what a week. It's been a big week for our family. You know, this week we get to celebrate our parents' 70th and one of our brothers graduated this week. So we're still trying to process everything because I feel like we've been on the go. You know, it's just everything's just happening so fast that we haven't really had time to process it. So yeah, but looking forward to the next few days. Also the fellowship and just being with our parents, siblings and our kids. But anyway, yeah, stay tuned and we will keep you posted. See ya. If my siblings are watching, don't worry, we had a quick bite after the meat shopping, okay? Just in case anyone thought that we ate before that. We arrived here in Waihi maybe an hour ago. Today's a chill day for us. We wanted to just make our way down here and just settle in. We don't really have anything planned for today. I think we've got something planned tomorrow. We've got our purple team cooking tonight. Let's see what they prep for us tonight. And I still have like some free time, especially after driving for like ages, like just an hour and a half. It's been so good so far. I'm really loving this time with our family. Yesterday we had a photo shoot, which was great. Let's see how we go with this birthday week. Okay, look at the purple team showing off their shirts. Here's Val and her team. Looking forward to eating their food tonight.
Rule 1, stroke up in the sun. Rule 2, ride the waves. Rule 3, breathe salty air. Rule 4, feel the breeze. Rule 5, build sand castles. 6, rest. Rule 7, relax. Rule 9, collect seashells. Rule 10, bare feet. Be quiet.
Would you like a coffee? It's not free. How's it going, Sissy? Malo Malue. You might have. You and Cruz have more? Yeah. Yeah, you won. Because I only got like 1, 2, 3.
Are we missing? Yeah, third place chips in. That's what I'm people.
Oh.
I'll play last time.
He's very young, or ever since he drank the boys, he wants to be young.
You know you? You say your colours?
He's a joker. Get it, bro.
You gotta be ready for the smoke, guys.
Gotta be ready for the smoke, guys. Take off your headphones so you can yappa. The smiley card. The smiley card.
What do you rate this house?
If you can accept all this, then
Pussy.
if she were a gold digger who only cares about money, she'd definitely say no.
No. He's a cheater.
I'm 2 rounds away from winning.
Oh.
It's a setup. It's a setup. That's a setup.
Hey, I didn't do anything. Fine. You're busty, man. Why did you do this one?
Amo ia o tō mata. Au awo wawai. Ma o tō talinga. Au awo whalongo. Au moni o te whaiatu i atu tō. Tō teleperofeta mo tangata ane o tōnu sāna o nau le fia i loa o meo o tō waai ai.
Purple team, what's going on? What's going on, guys? Olha o gordo. Olha o gordo, olha o fogo, foi para porque me Thank you for tuning in, and we will catch you up tomorrow. Good night. Pamahuta.